Hey yo, back with another video. I forgot what part this is. I think this is part 6, 7, I'm not sure. 6, 7. I'm joking, my bad. Anyways, we'll be playing Marvel Spider-Man part 6 or 7. I literally keep forgetting every single time. But let's get into it. And I need to get headsets, bro. Because these fan noises, this thing is way too loud. Alright,
I gotta get home to sleep.
Alright, yeah. God damn.
Come on.
What happened? Eviction notice. Oh shit. I just saw that now.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Yeah, hi. I'm trying to
homeless.
track down some items that were accidentally picked up from a dumpster outside my
Dumpster
apartment.
number?
Hang on.
That was unnecessary.
64476.
That's Route 33.
No reason to
Truck's
do
already
that
left the
at
shift.
all.
If your stuff's not there, you're out of luck.
Wait, please. This is important. Can you at least tell me where the truck is?
Let me check. Alright. Looks like it should be at the municipal garage at Bowery and Grand.
Got it. Thanks, Eddie. Municipal garage, Bowery and Grand. Not a problem. I don't care if I lose everything else. I have to find my Spidey drive.
Spidey what?
Hard.
Spidey drive.
Finding a tiny flash drive in a 30-ton garbage truck.
Flash drive. This nigga calls it a Spidey
I have
drive.
years of research on that drive. Everything I've worked on since high school.
Shit.
Of course it's locked. Can't have people stealing garbage. Maybe there's another way in.
On the roof. Right? Oh. Night vision.
It's not really breaking and entering if I don't break anything, right? Okay, no need to panic. Maybe they haven't dumped the trash yet. Nada. Okay, time to panic.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Sorry, is there any chance the truck wasn't at the garage?
Sure, I guess. Just means it'd be somewhere in West Chinatown.
Great, I'm headed there now.
Hey, it's a long shot, but sometimes the guys stop for pizza before they drop off.
Really? I'll check out the pizza shops. Any idea which one?
One of the mom and pop joints, I think.
Jerry's?
No, that's uptown.
I mean original Jerry's.
Oh, right. No, started with an L, I think.
Larry's?
That's on the east side.
Leo's.
Leo's, yeah. That might be it. Man,
Wait, I think I see the trucks. Thanks, Eddie. Should be some trucks
Which
close
truck?
by. Nope, stuff's not here. There has to be another truck around here.
I didn't vote for Osborne the first time.
No sign of my stuff. What an interesting smell. Eddie, you're my only hope.
not there either, huh?
You sure they were around here?
Where the other
Well, the guys
trucks?
might have switched routes due to the upcoming Osborne rally. If your pickup was on Route 35, they'd be dropping off at the incinerator right now.
Incinerator?
Over by Manhattan Bridge. Better hustle.
Have to hurry.
There's the incinerator. Hope I'm not too late. Uh-oh, looks like trouble.
What are they doing here by the dustbins? Hey, these niggas. It's just two people.
Thanks, Spiderman.
You okay?
Yeah, thanks. This gang's been terrorizing the whole neighborhood the last couple of days. There's probably more of them on the way.
I'll keep an eye out. Hey, mind if I look around for some personal items?
Sure, have at it. I gotta go file an incident report.
There's something there. Gotta move these bags out of the way. I think that's it. Yeah. Please be here. Please be here. Yes.
There we go. Spidey drive.
Hope it still works.
It should.
Phew, looks like everything's here. Hey, look. An old gadget prototype. Looks kind of awesome. Why didn't I ever finish it? I think I can make this work.
You can now craft the web bomb. How do I use a web bomb? Web bomb unlocked.
Got it.
Look, it's that guy. It's a spider.
Oh man.
Uh-oh.
Here comes
Ice.
these thugs. Hold R. We have spider drone, we have impact web, we have web shooter, we have electric web, used this before, and now we have web bomb. Let's try it.
What is that?
Ooh, that's tough. That's if they gagging up on me when I can use it. When they jumping.
Better start praying. You ain't gonna bring me down.
Damn, nigga. They still moving though, so they could like free themselves. No? I'm not tripping. Oh, here's one.
You ain't so tough. Can't hit him all. I got him.
Oh shit. I'm gonna whoop these ass.
Okay, well, this night isn't quite going as planned. Where am I gonna sleep? Guess I could try MJ's. Just got a web alert. Huh. Looks like MJ's story just got published. I think I'll find somewhere else to stay. She's probably busy with work.
Scary ass nigga, bro. How you gonna get there?
I
not
wish Harry
doing
was in
anything?
town. I could crash with him.
So where we off to now? Let me go to this tower.
Huh. Someone left me a voicemail. Number's blocked, though.
Level 10.
Hey there,
Level
Spider.
11.
Long time no see. Miss me? Come to this address. Catch me if you can.
Uh-oh.
What's his
I think I
name?
know that voice.
Oh yeah. What is this nigga doing? Oh, his colleague. There you go. Took some time. Now let's go do a main mission. Skip. Main mission. Yeah, well, this game looks so pretty, bro. It's a good looking game. Surely Spider-Man 2 is way better than this. I have the Miles Morales, so once I have enough space, maybe when I complete this, I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna get Who's this?
Nothing like an RPG to wake you up.
What the flip was that? Oh, they're on the roof. Yeah. Yeah. Jumping me, as always. Always jumping niggas. Let me deal with you. Dead, surely.
Perfect.
No, I had Tom.
Oh, he's dead. Where the rest? Oh, yeah.
I feel like there are better ways to spend your life than shooting rockets at dudes in spandex.
In progress. Hello, Spider. Been thinking about you a lot lately. We were good together, weren't we?
Catwoman.
Maybe it's time
No?
to
Oh,
reignite
Black
the
Cat.
flame.
Black Cat.
They're the same
Don't tell me
people,
she's
no? Am
scoping
I
out places to
tripping?
rob.
Investigate
She
Black
promised she
Cat's
would give
camera.
up that life. What was she looking at? Anything look out of place? She wants me to find something. Need to look harder.
What are we looking for? Not this.
Gotta be some kind of clue. There.
Hey.
One of her cats. She packs those with range extenders, then harvests nearby RFID signals. I'll let Yuri know to pick it up. Felicia's too smart to be putting herself at risk like this. She must be desperate for some reason. Better keep an eye out.
Have so many things to unlock. Let's first get this backpack. These two backpacks.
Hey Yuri, I hate to ask, but any chance you have room at the shelter?
Of course. Feel free to use the couch in my office.
I thought web swinging would let me get pizzas delivered. Hey May, sorry we got cut off. Just wanted to check. think I could crash at the shelter tonight?
Of course. Feel free to use the couch in my office.
Thanks, May.
Wait. Oh, up here. Of course, it's
And
a
now for
crime.
listener emails. May from Queens writes, your...
All right, back. Still on. Still looking clean. Yeah, looking clean. Okay.
full of anger. I'm full of love. I call out injustice, corruption, and crimes against humanity because I adore this city. And I want it
shut
to
up.
be...
Can't believe I haven't slept since the Fisk takedown. Gotta start taking better care of myself.
Upstairs.
Hey, kid.
Nigga, leave me alone. Oscar me.
What are you doing here so late?
Bro, shut up. Leave me alone.
Hope May's couch is comfortable.
Where am I gonna sleep? Oh, yeah. That's kind of sad. I thought it was like a sleeper couch at least. This nigga sleeping in the office. That's really sad.
Even more explosions and a barrage of gunfire coming from inside the building after Spiderman and the NYPD
I can't take this.
You can and you will.
I'll pay you back. Soon.
Just ask for help next time. Oh, you are so much like Ben. You have to learn to swallow that Parker pride and accept that you're human, like the rest of us. Martin,
Sorry to interrupt. Just wanted to let you know I'm headed out of town. You're in charge while I'm gone.
well, you can count on me. How long will you be away?
Really don't know.
Is everything okay?
It's some personal business I've been planning for a while. But please take care of this place. It represents the best part of me.
Whatever that
Well,
means.
Guess I better get busy.
Well, let's go swinging.
Mr. Lee's okay. Hello?
Hey, did you see my story?
I did. Robbie must be pretty happy right now.
Yeah, it kind of went viral. And get this, Mayor Osborne just announced he's going to give Officer Davis an award this afternoon.
Wow. Wait, isn't Osborne's campaign rally this after... Oh, I see what he's doing.
Yeah, we all do. But still a pretty cool moment for Officer Davis and his family. I'll be there covering it. Wanna join me?
Yeah, of course. See you then.
Alright. Suited up.
It's so humiliating taking money from May. I should head out into the city and try to pay it forward.
All units, report of a chase in progress. Mobilize at Dutchtown.
We don't recognize your authority! Your vehicle is unregistered. You have no license. Move! We're citizens of the Earth.
Why they aiming for me instead of the cops? So it's like they know I'm the threat.
Just pull over, you nut jobs!
Well, at least you're not...
Oh shit.
Now that's just rude. Curbside service. us yet? $1 million idea?
Why is everyone screaming?
Hey, Jeff. Congrats on the ceremony today.
I'll be glad when it's over. A truck full of armed demons scares me less than public speaking. But I'm calling about something else.
What's up?
Just got a tip that the demons are moving on the Fisk construction site in Midtown. My wife would kill me if I ditched the ceremony prep to play cops and robbers, but I thought maybe my friendly neighborhood partner would want to know.
Understood. I'll do a swing by, let you know what I find. And hey, here's a tip on public speaking. Just picture everyone in their underwear. Wait, not Osborne. You know what? Never mind. Another message from Doc.
Peter, I don't want to jinx us, but the lead I'm following might not only get the project back on its feet, but also expand it in ways we never could have imagined. Everything happens for a reason, even Norman pulling our plug.
Really hope this works out. Doc's work is too important to go unfinished.
There we go. Fisk construction. Let's see what we're about to do.
Consolidated shipping. Jeff, I'm here.
What do you see?
Oh,
Find the rest.
no.
Boss wants them dead.
Looks like the demons are moving in on Fisk's territory.
You got this?
I got this.
How do I do it again?
肯定不是我的幻觉。
计划必须成功。
没东西。时间到了。
I'm just gotta fight.
Nap time.
这是啥？给我站住！降下一击，这回你插翅难逃。
Take him off.
一定会死！ 别走了！
That was easy.
You got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too. Fisk's territory is ours now.
Not today.
蜘蛛侠来了！拉上警报！他们要让我们瞧瞧你还撑多久！
Come here. You're welcome.
Hey, Willie.
You.
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
Stay out of my business.
Wait, the demons. Who's their leader?
Keep my men alive and maybe I'll tell you.
Saving bad guys from other bad guys. Not how I thought today would go.
Stay back! Stay back!
Oh, so they scattered everywhere. They're trying to kill all the Fisk employees or something. land? Where's everyone? How'd he get up so fast, nigga? Ah,
You two stay here. Wait for the police. Better swing around the outside to look for Fisk's men.
You think Fisk won't find you? You're as good as dead! You got nowhere to run! You got nowhere to run! Murder you! Oh, wait, sure! Stop! Wait, hit!
Oh! Bye-bye. Where the rest? Oh, shit.
Gotta find the survivors fast.
Ooh, wait. Wait. This nigga who keeps sniping me, bro. Holy. Look, I guess he's gonna hit me and I'm gonna die. What I tell you. What a stupid game, bro. Now I have to restart everything. Flip. I knew it. Alright, let's go. Once again.
Gotta find the survivors fast.
Nigga.
I could have taken him.
Sure.
Of course you could have.
You okay?
Yeah.
One more.
Sleep it off.
That nigga went flying. Leave? Chaz, nigga. These be the niggas that be killing me quick. What's up? last fight.
Hey, big guy.
Yo, yo, yo! Damn! Holy. Again! This is the last time, bro. This is my last fight for this part 6 or 7. I'm tired now.
Better swing around the outside to look for Fisk's men.
I couldn't even move. I was trying to dodge though. Yo, bro. Why am I so ass at swinging? Nigga, move up.
Oh, brother, this guy
nigga,
stinks!
Literally didn't see that.
God damn. Down for sure sake, yo. Okay. What's
Hey,
up,
big
now?
guy.
Ready for you, big guy. Why is big guy so quick?
Fisk.
Oh, big guy was
You're
way
better
too
safe.
easy to
Your
take
turn.
down.
Who runs the demons?
The rest is
Maybe he didn't check the room.
I've missed these cryptic Fisk talks.
Yo. Bye-bye. You just waiting for the ass whipping, aren't you? Wow. This nigga's evil, bro. This nigga's a monster, bro.
Hello again.
Ah, man. Now the crater's falling down.
Oh, come on.
Won't catch them now. These niggas gonna fly away.
No, 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 no!
X. Chi-Chi's. Got knocked down midway. Oh god. Hey. Hey.
Go, go! Did that just happen? Yeah.
I'm getting reports of a helicopter with a wrecking ball.
Yeah, things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this. Please, let me got this.
And regular helicopters shouldn't be that strong, no? I'm not tripping. Where are they?
Whoa, rockets!
That helicopter is destroying the city.
I know.
Oh shit,
You need to bring it down.
I know.
I'm trying.
A little faster.
Working on it, Yuri. Call you when it's done.
Why is it taking you so long to catch up with them?
Now's my chance. Hope I live to regret this. Hi, is this the flight to Newark? Afraid I have to ask you to pull over the helicopter, sir. This is your master plan? Replace Fisk? Fisk is over, don't be kidding.
Ah, man.
I need to disable the helicopter's engines. One engine down. Now for the second. Need a plan. Need a plan real fast. I guess this is the plan. Come on, Pete. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this.
No, I pressed it. I swear I pressed RB. Flip. Okay, hold on.
Need a plan.
Let me try again.
Real fast. I guess this is the plan.
I think I took time moving the left stick. Left joystick.
Come on, Pete. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. Please don't screw this up.
Yeah, this game is dope. Too dope. Too dope. Yay! Oh, we're
These
not
masks
done.
are so awesome. Where do you get them?
Oh,
Cool, thanks. Do they have a website?
yes!
Whoops. Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but...
But what?
You might want to bring a ladder. Yo, Miles. Hey, fanboy.
Oh, Miles. This nigga's not even knowing he's finna be Spider-Man.
You coming?
Nah, I gotta get to City Hall for my dad's ceremony.
All right. Tell your pops I said congrats.
That's tough. This is a tough little feature they added. On my way. There we go. And you know what? That's all for part
MJ,
6.
did they start the ceremony yet?
They're still setting up. Where are you?
Got hung up at work. Be there soon.
That's all for today. Thanks for tapping in. I'm gonna try edit part 3. I already put out part 3, so I must edit part 4, 5, 6, and then I must also add my Watch Dogs series because I've been recording Watch Dogs. I think I'm gonna do part 3 next for Watch Dogs. But yeah, guys, that's all for today. Happy Valentine's Day for those who have Valentines, I guess. And yeah, peace.